Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic is art is essential to our life. Art is essential to our life. Art, when we talk about art, mostly we mean, mostly what we understand is drawing pictures or paintings. But let me tell you, art is not limited to just paintings and drawing pictures. It is much more than that. And art can be in any form. Art, your music is an art. Uh, the movies you watch, that's a form of art. Uh, any uh, uh, creative exploration, that is art. Maybe like discovering, uh, many people have this innate ability to see the world very differently. Some people write, some people do poetry, some people make music for the world, uh, some people just paint things. So people have different skills and different skills and different form, and through those form they they show us what they think, and they show a different picture of the world, and that is what the art is about. Coming to the importance of the topic, why is it important, why do we need to talk about this topic? Art is essential. Yes, I agree, because it prompts us to reflect on why we live for, why uh, art art is something that makes life more colorful. When you watch a movie, maybe any, there may have been like several different kinds of movie. Maybe it's a comedy, or maybe it's a sad movie. When you see that movie, you feel the emotion, right? And you feel that it's happening right in front of you, and you get emotional about it. That's the power of uh, art. Art can show you things which you could have never seen in that way. So that is why art holds a very important place in this society. And second, I feel that art makes our life more colorful. There have been many different kinds of, your go-to music, go-to movies, which you can watch and feel happy about it. Your mood can change within a second just watching those different kinds of movies or music, or listening to that music. What's the important takeaway from this topic is that now we know the importance of the art. What does it hold for us? Now, what can we do for it? One thing that we can do is try to identify any art exhibition or any cinematic or music festival that is going in your city. Try to be part of it. Try to contribute towards it, to make it alive, because it is what makes life more colorful, and we need to preserve this art. There have been many art forms which have been active in the history, but now they are just the past. So it's very important to preserve this art and the history. Whenever you see that that is something uh, important for the society, it is showing a picture that a naked human eye cannot see. So we need to identify those art forms and preserve it. And to summarize it, that yes, art is essential to life. It might not be necessary, but with it, life becomes more colorful. It uh, it shows you the world in a different picture, and we need to view its important and need to preserve it. So whenever you find yourself in that situation, do contribute it. Thank you.